In this video, I'm going to show you how to add texture in Adobe Fresco. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you two of them right now, which I do think are the easiest. The first one is going to be using the pixel brush. So I have this image of a dog playing with a ball over here. I'm just going to go to the top left and I'm going to click on this button over here, which is the pixel brush. You can activate it by pressing P on your keyboard as well. And then from here, as you can see, if you basically double click it or just click on this arrow over here, it's going to give you this brush over here. Now in here you're gonna have like a bunch of different textures you can use. So you have basic, charcoal, comics, etc. You can find the one you want to use. For this one I'm gonna go to FX over here, and there you can see there's a bunch of different ones. You have like smoke billow, you have spatter mix, etc. There's a bunch of different ones. I'm just going to actually go over here and use this noise control one for now. Okay, now whenever you select this, you can try it out. You can go ahead and kind of paint over here on the sides or over the image, and you'll basically see what the texture currently is. Now, of course, what I would do here is just simply go over the image. So I'm gonna go like over here. Let's say I want some texture over here, but this does look a bit weird. Of course, it's not done yet. So what you then have to do, or what you can do, is go to the right over here, top right, click on layer properties, and switch the blend mode to something like overlay, okay? You could do something else as well, like soft light, as you can see. That's looking quite good as well over here if I zoom out. But if you do something like overlay, it's going to overlay it and it's going to be like a texture, okay? Now, what's going to be important here is the layer opacity. So if you wanted more opacity, you can do it like this. But if you want less, you can basically put less on there. That's one way to do it. However, this is going to look quite weird if you go over things like, of course, this dog, for example, which aren't that specific color. So in case that's happening to you, as you can see, that looks a bit weird, you can also change the color and then do it. So if I go over here and, for example, select a different color, I'm going to use this picker, and I'm going to actually pick this color of this dog's fur over here, and I'm just going to simply paint over it. And as you can see, there we go. The blend mode is currently on overlay, and as you can see, this looks much better. And I'm putting some texture over this specific dog over here, okay? Of course, you could go ahead and do it like in the background of this meadow or whatever, okay? That's gonna be one way to add texture, whatever texture you actually want inside your brushes. But there's also one more way, which is kind of easier and quicker as long as you have the texture that you want. So I'm actually gonna remove this, there we go. And then you can just basically overlay an image which has some texture. So I'm gonna go to my folder over here on the side, and I'm going to just pull up a texture. So I have this texture over here, which I got, there we go. What you can do with this, as you can see, you can position it. I'm just going to position it to be about the size of this image. It doesn't really matter too much for me. There we go. I'm going to leave it like that, like this. I'm going to make it taller, and then I'm going to also make it taller down here. There we go. Now, whenever you've done this, of course, this looks weird. So you want to click on the Done button, select the layer over here, and then you want to go to the settings again, the layer properties. And in here, you can change from normal to, again, something like overlay. You could also do like soft light or something similar. In my case, soft light looks very good. So I'm going to leave it like this. And then you can also play with layer opacity, so we can make it more apparent or less apparent. And that way you could also put over some texture, okay? So that's kind of the two ways you can use. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.